Okay, in order for you to be successful, I don't know why GE does this, but it's so complicated to get this piece in and out. We have to get the two bends that go here, the food bends out. You get the glass that is here out, okay? All it is hooked. Here's another one. You just lift and pull out. Now, once you've done that, I want to see if I can get. Also, we took the shelves that were over here. You just simply pull up, and they come out. Trying to do it one-handed. Here you go. The shelf was removed. Okay. So now you get this thing in like that. Okay. Tilt it, tilt it, tilt it, and here it is. Almost in, almost in. So that's the hardest part is done. So let me go press snooze. Okay, I'm doing it one-handed. That's how easy it is if you get it right. So you go back. Here you go. It's in. Now the glass goes underneath this thing. So it sits over here on the back, and then you push it toward the front. Let's get the glass. Okay, the glass is being done one-handed, which we don't recommend. Okay, what you do is you push it, and after you pushed it, it needs to come forward, okay? So this is not done correctly right now. So you push it and you pass the lip. That lip, you pass it. You're touching the back. You're touching the back. Now the front is able to go underneath. See, it went underneath, now it's in good shape. If you ever need to get the glass out, no way you're going to get the glass out because the juices and the bloods will not let you get the glass out. So you need to get the whole thing out, put warm water on it, and it will come out. And be aware that the glass can pop out. Again, the glass is push back. The back of it is touching the back of the refrigerator. And then you pull forward, and you go ahead and set it up. Now to get the bend in, you go in at a 45 degree. Okay, I'm going to see if I can do it one-handed. Okay, the bend goes in again, it's heavy and I'm doing it one-handed. Ladies, empty it. So here you go, that's the bend. All right, good day. To get the bend out, you need to get this out and then pull the bend out. The bend is touching the corner almost. Push it to the right, tilt it. So we're going to tilt it. Let me see. Okay. As you see, now to put it back, you go in this angle. That's the angle you go in. Less though. And here you go. That's how you get the bend in and out.